Let me get behind the camera.
Well, it's too late now.
All right, sit down. We're going to talk about the itsy bitsy spot. Wait, how's it go? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out comes the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Yay!
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water. No more? Well, what else can we do?
Count to 5.
Can you count to 5? Whoa.
Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
All right, you smile pretty for the camera.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3,
You want to hold
4,
your cousin?
5. You want to hold Jax?
We're going to bring him to you. Here he comes. He has to go potty.
Maybe.